Air quenching is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves cooling down a heated metal or alloy by exposing it to a stream of air. This process is commonly used in the production of steel, aluminum, and other metals that require controlled cooling to achieve specific properties. Air quenching is a critical step in the manufacturing process as it helps to improve the strength, hardness, and durability of the metal. During the air quenching process, the metal is heated to a specific temperature and then rapidly cooled by exposing it to a stream of air. The air flow rate, temperature, and pressure are carefully controlled to ensure that the metal is cooled down at the right rate. This process helps to prevent the formation of unwanted microstructures in the metal, which can weaken its properties. Air quenching is commonly used in the manufacturing of automotive parts, aerospace components, and industrial machinery. It is also used in the production of consumer goods such as kitchen appliances, electronics, and sporting equipment. The process is highly efficient and cost-effective, making it a popular choice for manufacturers looking to improve the quality and performance of their products. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. The company offers a wide range of services, including air quenching, to help its clients achieve their manufacturing goals. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has built a reputation for delivering high-quality products and exceptional customer service. If you are interested in learning more about air quenching and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on the website. The company's team of experts will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide you with a customized solution that meets your specific needs. With Berkness Company, you can be confident that you are working with a trusted partner who is committed to helping you achieve your manufacturing goals. FAQs. 1. What is air quenching in manufacturing? Air quenching is a process in which a heated metal part is rapidly cooled by exposing it to air. This process is used to harden and strengthen the metal, and it is commonly used in the manufacturing of steel and other metals. 2. How does air quenching work? During air quenching, the heated metal part is exposed to a stream of air that is blown over the surface of the part. The air cools the metal rapidly, which causes it to harden and become stronger. The speed of the cooling process can be adjusted to achieve the desired level of hardness and strength. 3. What are the benefits of air quenching in manufacturing? Air quenching is a cost-effective and efficient way to harden and strengthen metal parts. It can be used to produce parts with a wide range of hardness and strength levels, and it can be easily integrated into existing manufacturing processes. Additionally, air quenching does not require the use of expensive quenching fluids, which can help to reduce manufacturing costs.